In this section, we're going to look at selection techniques for text. Now, the reason that's important is that quite often when you're using something like, say, font formatting, you have to select some text first before you can apply formatting to the font. So let's say you wanted to apply bold formatting to a particular word. You have to know how to select a word first, then apply the formatting. With other types of formatting, like paragraph formatting, you don't have to select anything first. It just applies to the entire paragraph. So first of all, we'll just create a new document. Now we need some sample text just so we can play around. So here's a little trick. If you type in equals RAND, open brackets, and something like 6, 3, then close brackets, when I press the Enter key, this will be translated into random text. So let's press Enter, and as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different paragraphs, and each paragraph has 3 sentences within it. So if you type in something like equals rand, open brackets, 6, 3, close brackets, that'll create 6 sample paragraphs, each containing 3 sentences, which is what we've got. So if you're learning Word, remember to write that one down. That's a useful little trick. Now, how do we select things? Quite often you need to select a word. So the easy way to select a word, like let's say you want the word powerful, if you want to select that, you just simply double click on it and notice the entire word has been selected. Sometimes you might want to select a paragraph. Well, the easy way to do that is to move the mouse pointer over here, and can you see it changes from that to this? Yes? If I click once, that will select the line. If I click twice in quick succession, like so, that selects the paragraph. So let's say I want to select this third paragraph. I'll move the mouse pointer over here until it changes shape from this to this, then double click, and that selects the paragraph. As I say, you do that once, maybe on the second line of the third paragraph here. So I'll click once, that will select the entire line. So let's say you wanted to just select a few words. For instance, for example, let's say you wanted to select that. You would click just before it, hold the mouse button down, drag across it, then release the mouse button, and that would select it. Let's say you want to select the words when you click Design. You would move here, press the mouse button down, keep it held down, and when you get to the end of the bit you want to select, just let go, and that remains selected. Right, let's click here where it says click it and the button. If I press down the Shift key and press the up arrow, you can see what happens. It selects the lines above, or let's try that in the opposite direction. I'll click here just in front of the word Professional, press Shift and the down arrow, and that will keep, every time I press it, that will keep selecting new lines. Or I click the up arrow, it will deselect them like so. Till we're back to where we started. To deselect, you just click outside the selected area. Let's say I click here. If I press the Shift key down and the Home key, can you see what happens? That selected everything from where I was to the beginning of the line. Let's try that again. I am going to click just after where it says Text Box Designs. I'm going to click there. I'm going to press the Shift key down and I'm going to press the Home key. And what that does, it selects everything from where I was to the beginning of the line. Similarly, if I click here just before the word then, press the Shift key down and then press End, that will select everything from where I am till the end of the current line. Not the paragraph, the line. Remember, to deselect something, you just click outside the selected area. Let's say I wanted to select the entire document. That's Control A, and as you can see, everything is now selected. So that's a couple of different selection techniques. Like I said, once you get used to using it, more than likely you just simply click on something like I've just clicked before the word powerful, and then you just drag along or you drag up and down as you see fit. So if you wanted to select everything from here to the end here, I would just click here, hold the mouse button down, just drag across, and that would select everything for me.